Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up in Unibet. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for unibet.com. So let's get into it. Now over here on the top right, we can see this option that is register. So let's tap on that. Now choose your country and language and simply click on continue. Now here we need to enter our details, that is first name, last name, email address and password. After that, simply click on continue. Now we need to enter our address details, phone number, and here we need to select the contact preferences as well, and we need to tick mark if we are over 18 and simply click on join. Afterwards, our registration process will be completed. So this is all we need to do to sign up on Unibet. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.